some of the extra rules. So see what happens sometimes when we have two objects in our sentence, direct object and then indirect object. Okay, so when we are having direct objects or indirect objects, in such conditions, how should we change an active voice into passive voice? See, as we know that subject is changed into object and object is changed into subject in passive voice. Now, the thing is that we are having two objects. So what should we do? किस ऑब्जेक्ट को हमें सब्जेक्ट बनाना है, अब कंडीशन ये आती है। तो ऐसी कंडीशन में हम सेंटेंसेस को दो तरीके से बना सकते हैं। वी कैन पिक अप एनी ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, अ नॉवल, सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग अ नॉवल, so the sentence will be like this: a novel was gifted to me by Rajni. Okay, in the same way we can also pick up the other object also, me, that is pronoun that will be changed into subject. So I was gifted a novel by Rajni. So we can frame the sentence of passive voice in both the ways and both are correct. Okay, so it is your choice, it is up to you. You can take any of the options. Okay, then comes next. There is no need to mention the doer or agent when it is not that much important. Sometimes you are having subject as public, people, crowd, and most of the time indefinite pronoun you have they, none, no one, someone. ठीक है, इस तरीके से कभी कभी हमारे प्रोनाउन आ जाते हैं। तो ऐसी कंडीशन में हमें क्या है कि जो सब्जेक्ट है जब उसे हमें ऑब्जेक्ट में चेंज करना होता है, सो देयर इज नो नीड टू मेंशन द ऑब्जेक्ट इन सच कंडीशंस लाइक my book was stolen, my book was stolen by somebody or by someone. There is no need to write by someone. Okay, my book was stolen, the sentence is finished. Okay, then one must keep one's promises, promises must be kept, finish. Okay, then the passive voice in subordinate clauses. Sometimes we are having two clauses in our sentences. Okay, so in such conditions, how should we change the sentence in passive voice? See, we believe that Anand will break the record. We can change it in three different ways. First, let us see this one. I knew that Smita would only understand the gravity of this problem. I knew that the gravity of this problem would only be understood by Smita. So there is no need to change the main clause in passive voice. Only subordinating clause is enough to be changed. Okay, and if we wish, we can change both of the clauses. It was known, I knew it was known that the gravity of this problem would only be understood by Smita. There is no need to mention the object over here. It was known to me. बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर चाहते तो आप लिख सकते हैं, otherwise this sentence is also correct. Okay, in the same way, we believe that Anand will break the record. It is believed that Anand will break the record. This sentence is correct. And this sentence is also correct. It is believed that the record will be broken by Anand. Okay, तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या देखा कि it is believed. यहाँ पर जो मेन क्लॉज था सिर्फ हमने उसको ही पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज किया, बाकी का जो सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज है उसको एस टू एस रखा. तो दिस सेंटेंस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. एंड इन सेकेंड sentence we changed both of the parts into passive voice. Okay, and यहाँ पर भी वही है हमारा कि वी बिलीव, अगर हम नहीं चाहते हैं तो हम चाहे तो एक ही पार्ट जो है वो पैसिव वॉइस को में चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो ऑल दीज टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर करेक्ट. ओके, तो आप चाहे तो किसी भी तरह से हम चेंज कर सकते हैं.